This time we have given three sides and we're supposed to find the angles of the triangle. Okay, so please notice that anytime you will have given three sides, you're supposed to start always from calculating the largest angle. I mean, you're supposed to find the angle which is going to be across the longest side. Okay, so the longest side in my problem is side C, 9.5 meters. So what we're supposed to do first, we're supposed to use this formula, okay, in order to find angle C. Why this formula? Because C is given, A is given, B is given, and we can find angle C. So let me copy down the law of cosine. Okay, C square equals A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. Someone can ask why we cannot use law of sines. Because in order to use law of sines, we're supposed to have given the side and the angle which is across the given side plus extra angle or side. In our case, we have just given sides. That's why I'm supposed to start from law of cosines. So in order to solve this formula for angle C, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply move this part of my formula to the left side, and C square I'm going to move to the right side. So I'm going to have 2AB cosine angle C equals A square plus B square minus C square. In order to find angle C, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my formula by 2AB. 2AB and 2AB will cancel out, and I have cosine of angle C equals A square plus B square minus C square over 2AB. In order to find angle C, I'm supposed to find the inverse cosine. So I have C equals inverse cosine A square plus B square minus C square over 2AB. Okay, we are going to use the calculator. That's why it's very important to remember about the parentheses. So this is equal inverse cosine, and we have side A, which is equal 5.7 meters, okay, to the second power, plus B square, and B square is also equal 5.7 meters to the second power, minus C square, which is equal 9.5 meters to the second power, close parenthesis, divide by, open parenthesis, 2 times A, which is equal 5.7 meters, times side B, which is also equal 5.7 meters. Close parenthesis and close parenthesis. Please keep in mind, if you want to use the calculator and you want to solve the whole problem, right? At one time, I mean by one shot, you're supposed to make sure that you are going to put the parentheses in the right places. You're supposed to obtain the answer 112.88 degrees. So this is my angle C. You're supposed to remember that the sum of angles in the triangle is equal 180 degrees. And also you're supposed to look at the given sides, okay? We have side A and side B equal, okay? So the lengths of these two sides are identical. So it means that these two angles, angle A and angle B, are going to be the same. So what we're supposed to do in this case? We're supposed to simply realize that angle A is going to be equal to angle B. Is equal 180 degrees minus 112.88 degrees divided by 2. One more time. I'm using this calculation because these two angles are the same. So if I'm going to subtract from 180 degrees my angle C, and the result of my subtraction I'm going to divide by 2, I'm going to get angle A and angle B because they are the same. That's why I will perform these calculations. So I'm supposed to obtain the value of 33.56 degrees. Okay, so we have given 3 sides, we have found 3 angles, so we can say that the problem is solved.